Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be making a Halloween card using Spooky Sweets, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to bring in our Big Shot, and I have a black foil piece, and I also have our adhesive sheets on the back. And from the cauldron framelits, I have the spider web here. And we'll just run that through. And that's all that we're using the Big Shot for. We'll just punch this out. And these come out very easily. Okay, so my backing is already off. I'm going to put that to the side so it doesn't stick to something it doesn't need to. Okay, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 5 1/4 by 4. And from the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper, I just cut the strip of the spiders here. So I'm going to put this down, and it's about 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/4. So I'm going to put it right there. And then I have a piece of basic black, and this measures 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And that's going to layer back up here. It's going to make a tiny little border. And we're going to put some adhesive in the back up there. And our card base is pumpkin pie, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And this is also going to make a nice thin little border. All right. And now for our stamping, I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 2 by 2 7/8. And then from Spooky Sweets, I am using No Tricks, Just Treats. And I'm going to ink that up in pumpkin pie. And put it right in the middle, just like that. I'm going to come in with my spider web, and I want to put it right here in the top left corner. I love the way that shines. Okay, so I have a piece of basic black. This measures 2 1/8 by 3. And I'm just going to put it down on my piece of pumpkin pie. And the pumpkin pie measures 2 1/4 by 3 1/8. So just like that. I'm going to come in with my Whisper White not exactly centered, so scoot it over a little bit. All right. And then I have my glue dots, and I have these super cute little spider trinkets. And I'm just going to put a glue dot right there in the belly. And just like that, I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!